our dreams come true.
¡Vamos, vamos! Está bien, está bien.
What if we can always make it in time?
What if we can give everything a second life?
At Acer, we believe that even a humble dream can inspire big changes. Our innovations help bring ideas to life. And enabling adventurers to push forward into new frontiers. We appreciate the value of a good game in connecting more people anytime and anywhere. We create solutions to empower the everyday heroes in all of us. By applying smart technology to everyday life. Sometimes a fleeting opportunity is all we have. To capture those special moments with that special someone. We strive to offer better care to those in need, so everyone is free to pursue their dreams. We are all in this together. Our future and our planet rely on each and every one of us. That's why Acer puts sustainability at the core of the things we do, and has pledged to source 100% renewable energy by 2035. For nearly half a century, Acer has committed to breaking the barriers between people and technology. We continue to search for solutions to make tomorrow a greener, better place. Because we recognize that our work isn't just about technology. It's about people. We are embarking on a journey to a better tomorrow, one step at a time. And most importantly, together.
Hello world! Happy New Year and thank you for joining us. We believe every decision counts on the path to a better world. As a leading technology company, we wish to go beyond the status quo by leveraging our years of experience in technology to transform our industry and our global community that touch people's everyday lives. I'm happy to share Acer has sold over 500,000 units of our eco-conscious Vero product worldwide. The market acceptance delivers a very clear message that people care about the environment and appreciate to have the choice to purchase greener products that help toward a better sustainable environment. Working closely with our partners and suppliers on our Earthian platform, we continue to enhance our design and product process to put our words into actions. We have also invited thousands of our employees to build sustainable personal habits with our Earth Mission 21 Days Challenge program. We have further expanded this program to our suppliers and partners with their employees, and together succeeded in cutting equivalent of nearly 160 tons of CO2 emission. These tremendous results demonstrated the impact of our Earthian mission through concerted efforts from our personal to business lifestyle, from Acer to the supply chain ecosystem. Acer has put its goals of using post-consumer recycled plastic in 20 to 30% of our PC and displays by 2025, and sourcing 100% renewable energy by 2035 for the whole Acer group, for which we have already achieved 45% usage in 2021. In addition, more than half of our critical suppliers have committed to reach 100% renewable energy. We expect to increase to 80% of critical suppliers by 2025. As the world's population continues to move toward the urban area, the focus on sustainability becomes centered around city life. In a life that has become busier than ever, finding a balanced act seems increasingly out of reach between our internal world and external world, between our hybrid work life and home lives. What if Acer could bring eco-minded products closer to everyday life, like our Vero product offering? With our product accessible to millions of users worldwide, we continue to design products that bring new possibilities to gamers, creators, and to those on the go to explore digital and physical world their way. With our mission to break barriers between people and technology, we explore more ways to empower our users to find new balance in their lifestyles. We continue to make efforts for our users to connect from the personal to the professional, digital to the physical, and the external world to the internal world. Today, we are thrilled to showcase many exciting new products, from thin and light laptops to next-generation gaming to 3D technology. And we also have something very special. So stay with us to the very end. Let's continue to rethink how we make our sustainable future to a reality and explore the new balance with Acer this year. Let me first introduce Eric to show you our Thin and Light series.
In recent years, the line between our professional and personal lives has been disrupted by the shift towards hybrid work. It has quickly become a hot topic for both employees and companies. As more people value time to explore personal interests and spend time with loved ones, flexibility has become key. Flexible workdays, flexible work times, and flexible workplaces is now the new focus for a balanced lifestyle. At Acer, we want to ensure our products help our consumers to stay connected yet be highly flexible in the new era of work. Thin and light, yet packing the performance to meet your productivity needs. Our Swift family has been known for its portability and powerful performance since its inception. Just like our Swift Edge, a CES Innovation Award honoree, the new Swift Go is no exception. At under 1.3 kilograms and 14.9 millimeters thin, our new Swift Go for 2023, as the name suggests, is designed for those with an on-the-go lifestyle. Offered in a variety of unique colorways, as well as the choice of 14-inch and 16-inch models, there's always a Swift Go to suit your vibe. With multiple configurations to choose from, our Intel Evo certified laptop is perfect for any digital nomad or student. The new Intel Unison feature allows you to seamlessly link your phone and other devices to your Swift Go. Whether transferring files, making voice calls, or reading and sending messages, connect your digital experience across multiple devices. Combining the OLED visual experience and the enhanced performance capabilities from the latest power-efficient 13th Gen Intel Core H series processors, experience improved productivity while maintaining an all-day battery to get you through those longer workdays. Bumping up the resolution of our OLED displays to up to 3.2K, you can experience vivid colors and details when touching up photos, catching up on some shows after work, or even when diving into the metaverse. In addition to providing a best-in-class viewing experience, the Swift Go is also TÜV Rheinland EyeSafe display certified to help protect your eyes from potentially harmful blue light and eye strain during extended viewing sessions. With a 16:10 aspect ratio, the extra screen real estate makes everyday productivity more efficient. Our 14-inch Swift Go is also touchscreen enabled for those who want a more engaging and interactive experience. Higher performance requires improved cooling. For 2023, our upgraded dual fan design improves the overall airflow and heat dissipation. In addition, Our Air inlet keyboard provides a cool, calm, and collected typing experience for extended working sessions. Continuing our sustainability initiatives, the tactile touchpad is made from ocean glass, 100% recycled plastic, which provides a smooth navigation experience at your fingertips. In the age of work from home, a high-quality video conferencing experience is a must. Our new and improved webcam provides 1440p quality and combines with Acer's built-in noise reduction technology ensures crystal clear video quality from the conference room to the cafe. Acer Purified Voice with AI noise reduction makes catching up with friends and family crisp and clear even in noisier spaces. Further enhancing the experience, a trio of features, background blur, automatic framing, and eye contact, improve video conferencing, live streaming, and video blogging. Our fast-charging Type-C keeps you topped up. In a pinch, you can even use a portable charger to stay connected anywhere, anytime. Do you have a last-minute work crunch before a long weekend getaway? SwiftGo is the ultimate companion. However, you'll probably spend most of your time watching a movie on its stunning OLED display with your friends or syncing your incredible photos from your weekend adventures. Whether work or play, indoors or outdoors, online or offline, life is a balancing act after all. When taking a break from work, no matter where you go, from a weekend camping trip or an intimate get-together with friends, don't forget to pack the Acer Halo Swing. Designed with portability and personalization in mind, the detachable handle makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Light up your weekend nights with customizable RGB effects. Set the vibe anywhere and be the life of the party. The 2023 Acer Halo Swing is the latest member of our Acer smart speaker family. Our Google Voice Assistant-enabled speaker not only brings you technical smarts, but also looks smart in any environment. With enhanced bass thanks to DTS sound technology, Acer Halo Swing packs impressive sound quality in a compact package. With its IPX5 water resistance rating, you don't have to worry about it on any outdoor getaways. When at home, turn on the app and use the voice assistant to full effect. Check the weather, set alarms, or even customize functions on the LED dot display. With a whole selection of icon options and RGB lighting, all accessible from the Acer Halo app. Don't worry, the adaptive brightness technology will always provide the right amount of lighting for any situation while preserving battery life. At Acer, we're dedicated to providing products that elevate your everyday life while giving you the freedom to live your way, wherever and whenever. Choose the laptop and speaker that suit your lifestyle. Whether online or offline, the brand new SwiftGo and smart speaker lineups have got you covered. Explore the new balance between your personal and professional life and vibe your way with Acer this year. And of course, all work and no play, it's just not any fun. So let's see what's new in 3D gaming at Acer this year.
Thank you, Eric. Spatial Labs, the technology that brings you a glasses-free stereoscopic 3D experience, has been integrated into a variety of products. We're honored that in the Spatial Labs product family, the Concept D7 Spatial Labs Edition, a product built for creators, has been selected as one of Time's 2022 Best Inventions in the Consumer Electronics category. Fueled by this recognition and our dedication to breaking boundaries between people and technology, Acer Spatial Labs is literally adding a whole new dimension to your 2D gaming experience. Almost all the games that you have seen are built in 3D, meaning that the objects in the games are geometric 3D models. But you can't see all the vivid details as they are projected onto a flat 2D display. The element of depth and true 3D is lost. And that has changed with Spatial Labs. Spatial Labs True Game, which is the application built for stereoscopic 3D gaming, currently supports more than 65 classic and modern games, with 4 to 5 new titles added onto the list every month. To enjoy the stereoscopic 3D gaming experience, you just need to click on the play button. True Game will automatically launch the game you have already installed on your local hard drive and apply 3D profiles specifically pre-configured for this game. These game profiles leverage existing game data, such as shaders and geometry, and create a stereoscopic 3D experience while keeping the game as is. As mentioned in our last event, you're able to see objects being pulled into the space behind the screen, positioned at different distances from you, based on the 3D depth information that's been built and designed by the game developers that you cannot see on a regular 2D display. Building further on the development of Spatial Labs technologies, TrueGame now offers a new enhanced 3D game mode called 3D Ultra, which works like adding a second virtual camera to the game scene, creating individual renders for each of your eyes. So it is more than just being presented with merely the depth data, but actually full geometric 3D information. The scene is more realistic with 3D Ultra, providing stunning details and an immersive sensation. You get to choose between the two modes before you enter the gameplay, depending on your 3D visual preference and your system specifications. In addition to introducing a new 3D Ultra mode, we're now offering a whole new range of customization options so you can configure your 3D experience to your personal preferences. For example, to ensure that you have the most comfortable 3D gaming experience, you can adjust the 3D depth, which allows you to focus better, aim better, and immerse yourself deeper in your favorite game worlds, tailored just for you. And to further engage our TrueGame players, or even people who haven't played but are interested in our TrueGame 3D gaming experience, there is a forum in the Spatial Labs community for you to exchange your experiences and ideas with our fellow gamers, and for us to gauge your feedback. Last but not least, we continue to work closely with game developers and partners to expand our already extensive game library. Let's hear what our partners have to share about their journey of bringing their digital world to life through our latest Spatial Labs technologies.
Winking is a game art outsourcing company specializing in 2D and 3D art and animation services, in-game virtual effects, and full game development services. With nearly 20 years of experience, we have worked on more than 1,000 projects. With Spatial Labs Model Viewer, our team can now visualize and review our 3D work in greater detail using real-time rendering technologies in the most intuitive and natural way. With Spatial Labs TrueGame, our work can be fully presented in front of gamers beyond the limited depth of a 2D screen. We can now see the character we created in full geometric 3D as if they came to life. The Spatial Labs empowers us to unleash our artists' creativity in a new dimension.
Thank you. With Spatial Labs TrueGame, we're ready to take your gaming experience up a notch with better immersion and realization of the digital domain. Before I hand the stage to Clark to share more insights on our gaming products, we're honored to have Jeff Fisher, NVIDIA Senior Vice President for GeForce, joining us to share more on their latest and most powerful generation of GPUs that powered our Predator lineup for 2023.
Thanks, Angela. I'm always excited to join you and talk about Acer products that continue to delight gamers and creators. And this new line of Predator RTX laptops is no exception. They will deliver a quantum leap in portability, performance, and AI-powered graphics. To power these laptops, I'm pleased to introduce our newest generation of laptop GPUs, the GeForce RTX 40 series, built on our Ada Lovelace architecture. These GPUs are our largest generational leap in performance and power efficiency ever. Our flagship GPUs, the GeForce RTX 4090 and 4080, are absolute beasts. They can game up to 4 times faster compared to our last generation. And with dual NVIDIA encoders, they can cut video export time in half. We are also announcing the GeForce RTX 4070, 4060, and 4050. These ultra-efficient GPUs deliver top-of-the-line performance while using as little as 1/3 the power of previous generations. Gamers and creators continue to demand more performance with sleek form factors, so power efficiency is paramount. Ada architecture and NVIDIA Max-Q, a suite of technologies that optimize laptop design, combine to deliver quiet, powerful devices with great battery life. And Max-Q really shines in a system like the thin, highly portable Acer SwiftX 14. With performance that rivals much larger laptops, it's perfect for creators on the go. Thanks to the GeForce RTX 40 series, 14-inch laptops are totally transformed and are now able to take on tasks never before possible, like real-time 3D rendering in Blender, and editing photos and videos with cutting-edge AI tools in Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro. You can also play the latest AAA games like Cyberpunk, brought to life with full ray tracing and AI-powered graphics. GeForce RTX is transforming gaming with AI, and DLSS 3 reigns supreme. It uses our new 4th generation Tensor cores to provide a massive efficiency and performance boost, up to 4 times traditional rendering. DLSS 3 uses AI to generate high-quality frames in real time, and the difference in performance and laptop battery life is staggering. Acer laptops, paired with new GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs, open a whole new world of possibilities for gamers and creators. Thanks again.
Thank you, Jeff, and thank you, Angela, for keeping us updated on all the strides that are being made with the Spatial Labs technology. As someone who's tried these firsthand, I can tell you that playing on a 3D screen makes a huge difference in some of your favorite titles. Now, on top of the immersive 3D technology, we also have some powerful laptops lined up with the newly named Helios 16 and Helios 18. Each has been infused with the latest tech, a new look, and all the beefy hardware you could want, potentially your next gaming PC, on either a 16 or 18-inch display. Now, obviously, you'll need a top-of-the-line processor, and to tell us more, we've invited Steve Long, Intel's Corporate Vice President of the Sales, Marketing, and Communication Group, and the General Manager of the Asia Pacific and Japan region.
Hey everyone, really excited to be here with Acer launching their brand new laptops powered by our latest 13th gen Intel Core mobile processors. With 12th gen, we introduced the world's first performance hybrid architecture, which delivered class-leading performance for desktop and mobile. Then, we did it again with the 13th gen desktop processors, which extended our lead, leaving the competition in the rearview mirror. We're executing to the drumbeat of our roadmap and delivering one impressive product after another. And now, the next step in this journey is the 13th gen Core mobile processors. With these processors, we're introducing the world's first mobile CPU with 24 cores. Their clock speeds of up to 5.6 gigahertz. There's more cache to deliver peak performance. And we've also integrated industry-leading technologies, Wi-Fi 6E, Thunderbolt 4, DDR5 RAM, all which make Intel 13th Gen Core the best gaming laptop platform. So with the latest Acer Predator Helios 16, powered by our flagship 13th Gen Intel Core i9 processors, gamers have the best experience with gaming, streaming, and recording simultaneously. Content creators will truly be dazzled by the multitasking performance, which enables them to render an animation in one program while editing a 4K video in another application. For those who believe in numbers, let me give you 2 data points. When testing using a cross-platform productivity benchmark, Crossmark, a notebook powered by our latest Intel Core i9 13950HX delivers 40% leads over a notebook equipped with the competition's flagship CPU. Another data point, in content creation, Intel 13th Gen delivers 2 times the performance versus the competition when testing CPU rendering using Blender BMW scene. You're not a gamer? No problem. Look out for our Intel Core 13th Gen processors in the latest thin-and-light laptops like the Acer Swift Go, one of the first Intel Evo powered laptops with our 13th Gen H series processors that deliver enhanced performance, instant wake, and responsiveness, all while maintaining cool and quiet operation. Acer Swift Go is also one of the first laptops which features Intel Unison, which offers ease of integration of your smartphone with your laptop. With Intel Unison, you're going to be able to respond to calls and messages right from your laptop and be able to transfer photos and files seamlessly between devices. Best of all, it works with both iOS and Android. We're extremely proud of having co-engineered these class-leading devices with Acer. We work at the system level to optimize thermals and electrical design, tuning performance and battery life. Such close collaboration ensures the 13th Gen Intel Core powered devices deliver a whole new paradigm of mobile computing experience which consumers look for. We are really looking forward to seeing these devices in stores very, very soon.
Thank you, Steve. Now, to be honest, these processors really allow us to push the laptops to their maximum potential. The Helios line has always been about squeezing as much performance as we can out of them. So of course, we'll have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs topping out at 165 watts MGP. That's maximum graphics power for those unfamiliar with the term. Now, because you have both of these two really advanced pieces of technology, you're going to need good cooling to go with it. So we've included dual 5th gen Aeroblade 3D fans and machine printed liquid metal thermal grease on the processor itself. And for the first time, we're actually using rectangular heat pipes, which let us get that much more heat out of the whole system and squeeze some additional wattage out of the PC. Now, what about the display? As the focal point for the entire thing, this thing should shine, and fortunately it does. We're talking high refresh, 250 Hz mini LED from AUO. It's all top shelf tech, and anyone who's tried these firsthand knows exactly what I'm talking about. You have to see it in person to believe what's there. Eye-popping levels of contrast where your games and videos have never looked better. Now, as for everything else, standard but still impressive. 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 2 terabytes NVMe SSD, Wi-Fi 6E support, and the latest parallel ports with USB 3.2, HDMI 2.1, and Thunderbolt. It's all there. Even a micro SD card reader if you need it. If you're itching to see what the latest iteration of Helios is capable of with the latest advancements, Helios 16 and 18 will be arriving on the scene soon, so keep an eye out. Now, like I mentioned earlier, the display really is the heart of your entire setup. Yes, you need the hardware to make it shine, but a good monitor offers up an entirely different, usually better experience. Now, first up is the Predator X27U. Coming out strong at 27 inches, this 1440p display with an OLED panel can deliver contrast in true black that must be seen to be believed, which is entirely accurate. You need to see it firsthand to see what they're truly capable of. It's fast at 240 Hz, smooth with 0.01 millisecond pixel response time, and entirely too good with AMD FreeSync Premium leading the charge, keeping your frames locked into tear-free perfection. It even includes TÜV iSafe certification, so you can rest easy knowing that eye strain will be kept to an absolute minimum. Now, do you have several PCs you want to hook up to a single display? The X27U has a built-in KVM switch so you can keep just one keyboard and mouse for the entire setup. All in all, the X27U is the perfect monitor if you're looking to see just how good HDR looks on an insane levels of contrast. But wait, that's not all. We have something even bigger for you with the Predator X45. Yes, that's 45 inches of extreme curves, 800R to be exact. Just look at the amount of bend this CES Innovation Awardee has and imagine being pulled into its warm OLED embrace. Like the X27U, you'll enjoy AMD FreeSync Premium and true black contrast at a 3440 by 1440 resolution, running at a screaming 240 Hz refresh. The 0.01 millisecond pixel response time practically eliminates blur, while the DCI-P3 color gamut of 98.5% will make you wish that the outside looked just as good as everything on this monitor does. Lastly, it does include the built-in KVM switch if needed. It will truly change the way you play and enjoy your games. Now, there is just one more thing, if we may be so bold. At Predator, we've done our best to innovate where possible, particularly when it comes to thermals, and finding ways to integrate a modular approach to our designs, all for the performance that you deserve. We're taking everything we've learned so far and putting it into the development of the Orion X. Stay tuned for more in the future.
At Acer, our mission has always been to break barriers between people and technology. With our latest Swift and Predator products, we are enabling our users to move seamlessly through digital and physical world, as well as professional and personal lives, to explore the new balance. We do this while keeping sustainability at the core and celebrating the diversity of our users and their lifestyles. As we continue to move forward, we are striving to bring out more innovation for our consumers and global community. I hope you are as excited as I am to see what the future of Acer holds. Thank you for being with us, and I wish everyone a enjoyable 2023. See you all next time.